Real video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy meme coins on the Kraken application. So once you open up Kraken, I want you to go to the bottom bar here and press on the Explore page. Once you're here, so if you're at the top, it'll say gainers, hot, etc. Slide down all the way to the bottom to where it says popular categories. So if you were to slide this all the way to the left, we actually just passed it. You can go ahead and change it to gaming. There's AI, there's stable coins right here. Meme coins. Go ahead and press the meme coins right here. And then once you're here, you can go ahead and check all the different meme coins that are being offered on Kraken. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how you guys can buy meme coins on Kraken. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.